You can definitely watch YouTube on a Nintendo Switch if you've just bought your console or haven't installed it yet. Finding YouTube might not be immediately obvious. Don't worry. Here's a simple guide to help you download the app and start watching in just a few easy steps. From the home screen, tap the orange shopping bag icon called Nintendo eShop. Choose your user profile. Let the eShop load fully. This may take a few seconds. Tap the search bar in the top left corner or type in YouTube and search. Select the official YouTube app from the results. Tap free download and download the software. I've already installed it, so it's just showing me your virtual game cards. I've already installed it, so it's just showing me virtual game cards, but it should show the download option for you. Either way, the outcome is the same. Even if I press virtual game cards or free downloads, the app will load on the Switch after 1 or 2 prompts. Once YouTube is installed, let's open it up. Select your user profile first. So as you can see, it's fully functioning. YouTube works in both handheld and dock mode. Use the left Joy-Con stick or touchscreen to control or touchscreen to scroll and press A to play. During the videos, you can adjust the video quality, change captions, and almost do anything you can do on your YouTube in your PC or smartphone. And that's all there is to it. Watching YouTube on a Nintendo Switch is quick, easy, and totally free. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Switch tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.